In the quest for convenient yet healthier cooking options, the Chefman TurboFry Touch 5-quart air fryer emerges as a culinary game-changer. Packed with seamless one-touch digital controls and a quartet of preset cooking modes, this appliance promises flawlessly fried favorites that will leave your taste buds dancing. From succulent fried chicken to mouth-watering French fries, the possibilities are endless, and the results are consistently golden and satisfying. Here are the key features of Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer. Effortless control at your fingertips. Gone are the days of culinary guesswork. With the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer, precision cooking is at your fingertips. The 4 one-touch presets, crafted meticulously for French fries, chicken, fish, and meat, eliminate any potential confusion, allowing you to embark on your culinary journey with confidence. Simply select your desired mode, and within seconds, you'll be savoring a delightful masterpiece. Masterful crispness through technology. Picture this, a built-in lead shake reminder with an accompanying alarm that gently nudges you when it's time to give your culinary creation a hearty shake. This ingenious feature ensures that every morsel of your dish receives the same level of crisping, yielding an evenly crisp texture that's nothing short of exceptional. Bid farewell to unevenly cooked meals and welcome a new era of culinary consistency. Customize your culinary adventure with temperatures ranging from a gentle 200 degrees Fahrenheit to a searing 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer invites you to become the architect of your own palate. Lower temperatures yield food with a delicate crunch, while higher settings provide a satisfyingly robust texture. This versatility allows you to tailor each dish to your preferences, ensuring culinary triumphs every time. The art of effortless cleanup. Cooking is a joy, but cleaning up afterwards, not so much. That's where the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer truly shines. Its removable air fryer basket and cooking tray are dishwasher safe, while the stainless steel exterior can be effortlessly wiped clean with a damp cloth. Bid adieu to the hassles of scrubbing, and say hello to a more seamless culinary experience. Safety and convenience, harmoniously united. Safety and convenience form an inseparable partnership in the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer. The unit boasts an automatic shut-off feature that pauses heating when the basket is opened, resuming precisely where it left off when the basket is replaced. This thoughtful design ensures a secure cooking experience, granting you peace of mind as you create delectable dishes. Time-saving marvel for the modern family. In a world where time is a precious commodity, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer is a steadfast ally. With a spacious 5-quart capacity, this kitchen marvel is primed for feeding your family or catering to gatherings of 3 to 4 individuals. Elevate your dinner game and indulge in culinary excellence without compromising on your precious moments. Aesthetic charm for your countertop. The elegance of the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer extends beyond its culinary prowess. Its streamlined design, while boasting a generous 5-quart capacity, tastefully adorns your kitchen countertop without overpowering the space. A harmonious blend of form and function, this appliance effortlessly complements your kitchen aesthetic. Enduring quality and assurance. Rest easy knowing that the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer is Settle approved, boasting advanced safety technology that ensures durability and reliability. Furthermore, your purchase is fortified with a 1-year assurance from Chefman, cementing your investment in a culinary companion that's built to last. In conclusion, the Chefman TurboFry Touch 5-quart air fryer transcends the realm of ordinary kitchen appliances, redefining the way we approach family meals. With its cutting-edge features, versatile temperature control, and commitment to safety, it ushers in a new era of culinary exploration and enjoyment. Elevate your cooking game, embrace healthy yet delicious fried delights, and make the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer an indispensable part of your kitchen repertoire.